Hi, I have to explain isolation transformer. This isolation transformer, the main aims to separate the power from the primary to secondary while transferring the AC power due to input side if any harmonics or imbalanced power and unexpected losses to reduce the isolation transformer. The main function to add safety and stability to the system. Its primary side, this is the motorized breaker, and this is the isolation contactor to the transformer to the output power, and this is the output to connected to the load, either UPS or anything. This is the label of the isolation transformer. This is the isolation transformer. Inside of the parts, look into this. Actually, this is the whole part of the body on isolation transformer. Inside the, that is the core. Under the frame top side, there is the cooling system for the isolation transformer. This is the exhaust fans. If in case any heat generates, then you can adjust to the atmosphere. Please show architecture diagram. Actually, the below diagram, its a primary side is delta connection and secondary side is star connection with deliver a neutral, because secondary power is healthy condition. The secondary side star connection will connect it to the load, either UPS. There are three basic parts of a transformer. One is core. This iron core which serves as a magnetic conductor. And second one is the primary winding. Third one is the secondary winding. Please look into the picture. Actually, this is the shell type core of the transformer. I have to explain difference between the core type and shell type transformer. Please look into the below picture. In this picture, the major difference between the core type and shell type transformer, what is that? The core type transformer is the windings surround the core. Yes, same. Whereas in shell type transformer, the core surrounds the winding. Another thing is, the core type is more compact and smaller in size as compared to a shell type transformers. That's why winding protection is more safer in shell type than compared to a core type transformers. That's why most probably we have used to shell type transformers. Another name is the isolation transformer is called as a insulation transformers. This transformers is mostly used at critical equipments like UPS and telecommunications equipment also, and used in high dependency applications. In this transformer is used to protect overseas of electrical shocks or either electrical noise to reduce the sensitive devices. And a major thing you can remember on that, the isolation transformer is primary winding and secondary winding. The equal number of terms is equal. The voltage and current will be same capacity of the input and output. For more interesting videos, please subscribe our channel and share videos. Please click on bell icon for latest update videos. Thank you.